spill some secrets because यहाँ पर हम cold coffee तो नहीं गिरा सकते. Honestly, who's the most fun person in the cast? Honestly.
Honestly?
Yeah.
Me.
You'll do this one more time later for my vlog or what?
Yes!
Okay, good.
Asli content creator.
There's going to be something on that shit. You're going to look at it and then it's either truth or dare. We don't know. You don't get to choose.
I was not ready for this.
Who takes the most selfies during breaks?
You don't get to answer also.
No, reply to someone official, na.
Mona said don't say anything. It says make a reel right now and post on your gram. Will you do it? Abhinav, you.
Also, I'm very happy that season 3 there are a lot of Rishi Dimple moments. We kind of missed that. Yeah. We kind of missed it a lot when we were doing season 2. And जब पता चला कि season 3 में
Just to fill me, just to fill me.
All right, let's get to work. Are you guys ready for the Just to Fill Me huddle, guys? This is amazing. Prajakta, I'm going to start with you. My dimple forever. Thank you so much. You have to tell me, what does the show give to you every time you come back to it?
I have no clue how to answer this question because there are no words, honestly. The show has given me everything I have so far. It's given us this. It's given us all the cheers and all the love. But at the same time, it's also given me beautiful relationships. I think I'm a huge romance fan. I'm crazy about romance. The fact that this is adapted from a romance book is special. The fact that I get to be the person who's in the romance book and live on the pages and also on Netflix is something else. And Dimple is so special to me. You know, so many times, so many people will ask me, you know, आप ऐसा करते, लेकिन अगर Dimple करती तो कैसा करती है? Sir, I don't know because the lines are so blurry at this point. She's been such an important part of me for 5 years now. So like I don't know where Prajakta is and where Dimple is. The lines are very blurry. I love her. I'm her biggest fan. And I'm very, very grateful that I get to be Dimple.
Amazing. So are we, right? Yes. Abhinav, I do. Mostly sane.
You'll do this one more time later for my vlog or what?
Yes.
Okay, good.
Asli content creator.
Abhinav, you have to spill some secrets because यहाँ पर हम cold coffee तो नहीं गिरा सकते. तो secrets ही गिरा दो. Tell us,
Secrets?
yeah. Tell us honestly who's the most fun person in the cast. Honestly.
Honestly?
Yeah.
Me. I'm being honest.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. And who is the one you look forward to the most to share a scene with?
A scene with Taruk because he's my best friend.
Aww.
Also,
Brother.
we are actually best friends. We went to the same school together. And when we got this show together, the first person I called, because Taruk was already a part of the show, and I remember I got a call saying that I've got it. And usually I always call my mom, but this was the first time that I called Taruk and I said that I got this and I get to spend some more time with you. So.
No. I love it. We're here for this. We're here for this. You know,
Stop that.
So I can't say too much because no spoilers. It drops on the 13th, so you're going to be binge watching it that night itself. I know that. But I'm really looking forward to your trajectory.
Yeah.
It looks like you're only here for the funds, but मुझे ऐसे क्यों लग रहा है कि इस बार funds के साथ तुम्हें feels भी आने वाली है. Can you confirm or deny?
I think season 1 and 2, Krish believed that sometimes it's good to be bad. And season 3, Krish believes it's good to be good.
Oh, that is amazing.
क्या खा के आया यार?
है ना बहुत ज़्यादा. And I'm एकदम इसे pause लेके बहुत अच्छा बोल रहा हूँ आज.
Taruk, tell us your favorite memory of being in college. Like in a college, any college. What is it about colleges that you love?
Yeah, tell us about college, Taruk. Did you complete it?
No, I have a lot of fond memories from college that unfortunately I can't remember any at this point. But I think Yeah, just being in a space where the whole world wasn't yours to worry about was great. You know, I mean, every one of you here, this is the best time of your lives, whether you like it or not. Live it to the fullest. Enjoy yourself like the maximum, because I mean, this is the time to do it. And yeah, I guess yeah, just being there was great. Just meeting new people, the exposure you got, that was a great feeling.
Now you have to tell me, what is it about Mismatch? I asked Prajakta the same question. What does it give you, being part of this show? What does it feel like to return on the set? These friends, tell us.
You know, I've gotten really, really lucky being a part of this show. I feel like it's one of the biggest shows in India. And to be able to be a part of it, I mean, it's the biggest show, and you get to be I was a very small part in the second season, and I had no idea that it's going to blow up the way it did. And I'm very grateful to the writers that they gave me another chance to explore Vinny's character. It's such a beautiful show. There's so many things that the show talks about. There's so many topics, so many important topics. And I think every actor's dream to be a part of this kind of show. So I get to be a part of it. And the cast is fantastic. I mean, I was a little nervous before coming on board and like coming on set, because the kind of bond that they already share, and you tend to feel a little nervous ki, okay, you might be out of place, or kaisa feel hoga and everything, but they made me feel so welcomed. I hope that I was a good addition to this cast also, but they made me feel really, really comfortable. I had a blast shooting for this one, genuinely.
Thank you for sharing. I think it's lovely. It's almost like एक नए college में entry होती है and you're trying to make new friends. I think that's how the feeling is. But let me tell you, baby, you're acing it and we're loving you. And
Thank you.
I can't say anything because I don't want to give spoilers, but yeah, that's all I'll say. All right, Rohit, what a year. Okay, let's start off with the fact that it's been a beautiful year for you. Do you want to, when you look back at 2024, what would be the highlights of the year for you, Rohit?
What would be the highlight for me? Oh, people actually watched it? That's nice to know. Thank you. I think the highlight for me was that I got to work a lot. I think that's something that's always such a blessing for me. It was such a wholesome year because I got to do so much. I got to be a part of some incredible projects. Actually, I'll tell you what, my most special, the highlight of this year for me is, I don't know if too many of y'all know, I actually did a film 11 years ago, which was then called Banana, and it never released, right? And out of nowhere, while we were shooting for season 3 of Mismatched, I found out that it's releasing in 3 days, and then it just randomly released. And I actually got to meet with all the co-stars from the film, and I met all of them after our last day of shoot for the first time at the screening, which was 11 years later. And it was honestly by far one of the most beautiful feelings, because while I watched that film in a theater full of people who I had known all of these years growing up, I also saw a boy that I did not recognize but felt so personally attached to. Context, that boy was me, just in case no one got it.
Just saw a boy.
So I think for me, the highlight would be that. But of course, topping that was, it was so special to be able to go back to Mismatch Season 3 and shoot with all of these incredible human beings, shoot with Prajakta. I would like to say, okay, here's the thing. Of course, I love shooting Rishi Dimple scenes. Those are always going to be my favorite, right? But what I got to do this season, which I'm so insanely excited about, is that I got to shoot with Taruk and Abhinav this time as friends. It was great fun. I love that we didn't have to look at each other hatefully. We looked at each other with a lot of love, and it was great fun. So yeah, I got to shoot for Mismatch. I got to shoot for a couple more projects that are going to be releasing in the coming year. So it's been a very, very, very special year for me.
Well,
Yeah.
some love for Rishi. And some love for Rohit. That's what the show gives you guys. Now, बहुत emotional हो गए हम लोग because you know. But now we're at a college festival. We're gonna have some fun. We're gonna play these games that we used to play in college, and one of the first games that we're gonna do on the huddle is Truth or Dare. Lie. Okay, great. It's pretty simple. You know how this works. We're gonna pass it to you. There's gonna be something on that shit. You're going to look at it, and then it's either truth or dare. We don't know. You don't get to choose.
I was not ready for this.
Okay, I got truth.
Oh, you got
Good,
truth.
not bad.
Tell us the question.
Who takes the most selfies during breaks?
You don't get to answer also.
You're right.
Thank you for being honest, Prajakta. You have to qualify that before Abhinav picks up another one.
I have to qualify that means?
Yes, you tell us something about taking selfies in breaks.
I mean, it is very difficult for me when I'm on a set and I've been explicitly told by Netflix कि Prajakta, this look cannot be revealed because I post stories all the time. मेरा career ही oversharing से बना पिछले 10 साल में. So it is very difficult for me. So I still share, but little bit here and
Can
there.
I please say I love Dimple's hair? It's banging.
The bangs?
It's banging.
Dude,
Can I
it took
please
me. It took me a while to get used to it. I was a little scandalized when I tried the bangs on first, but I think every girl can relate to the fact that every time you go through something tough, you want to go get bangs.
Yes, baby.
So I okay, good for Dimple.
And then we regret it for a little
Then
while.
you regret it,
Yes,
yeah.
thank you so much. Abhinav.
I got truth only. No, हंस क्यों रहे हो? एक second रुको. Who's the funniest person to work with and why? Guess who?
Be honest.
No, see, there's a. There's
He's struggling to say anybody's name
अरे
but
नहीं,
his.
अरे नहीं.
But
नहीं.
his own.
Rohit is funny 2 out of 10 times. I answered it. No, I answered it.
Okay, what's the most embarrassing thing you've ever done on set? Okay. So the first time, Vinny was Essas, and I shot a scene.
A scene.
A scene. The lovely cast and
Us? The three of us?
our friends who are always there for us and you know
Your cheerleaders.
so nice all the time. They thought it would be a great idea to support us
Very loudly.
by landing up on set. Every one of them to watch us and cheer like it's a football match.
I mean, let's be honest. That's as close as Anmol can get to football.
Yeah.
We're not holding back today. ऐसे लग रहा है हम live mismatch के set पर हैं यार. This is amazing. Well, let's just say, may you always have the support of your closest
But can I
friends.
just say that we had a great time. So you will also enjoy
I
it
have
a lot.
BTS that I may just share.
Okay.
So clearly they had a great time. Thank you for sharing though.
Essas?
एहसास यार सबको ट्रूथ ही मिल रहा है मुझे डेयर डेयर निकालो एहसास प्लीज
Lip to lip.
Open your phone and reply to the last message using only emojis. Show the group the conversation.
It's not your mom.
देखो लास्ट
Guys,
मैसेज है
it's Mona. She said hey, so I can just say hi to.
बट using only emojis.
Sure, Mona said. Wait 1 second.
1 second. I think
Okay. Can I reply to this?
no reply to someone official, na.
Mona said don't say anything.
Okay, she has sent an emoji to the lone person with a
Thumbs up.
अरे यार लोन पास होना
Guys,
है
please, मेरा.
कम ऑन दैट्स ओके दैट्स कंप्लीटली
ये सब नहीं
फाइन
कर सकते.
भाई अब सब मिलके
अब तेरा तो
मेरी
डेयरी
बात
आना चाहिए प्लीज अब जो हुआ है ना इस स्टेज पे
What is it? What is it?
It says make a reel right now and post on your gram.
Yeah, baby.
Right. If he does this, if Rohit Aesthetic Saraf posts a reel right now, will you do it?
Abhinav, f you. I'm gonna
Let's
do
do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Hi everyone, this is Rohit with my cast of Mismatch, and I just wanted to remind you that Mismatch Season 3 releases on December.
Our next segment is something you played in college, and it's called Dumb Charades. Dumb Charades. We're going to play Dumb
It
Charades.
is whatever you make of it.
Okay,
The
fabulous.
English call it charades.
Okay, charades. Prajakta Kohli is going to play Dumb Charades with Goonj. All right, ma'am. You know the rules. Go for it. Woo! That was easy. She did Ded Ishkiya. I'll show it. Whoa! Well done. Fabulous. Well done, Abhinav. And what's your name, sir? Shashank ke liye taaliyan ho jaएं. Also, I just want to take a second while
only
Taruk
filled
is pulling out his wonderful dumb charade shit. To see Taruk Raina do this is going to be a lot of fun. Do it, Taruk. Shh. Done. He just did this and they're like, yes. Well done. Who said that?
But
Ma'am?
we'd love it if Taruk does this step, right?
Yeah, come on, Taruk. His name? Sakshi. Taruk, thank you.
Sakshi, you are the winner.
Woo! आप मुंबई आ ओ ऑलरेडी आ चुकी हैं थैंक यू यस मैम Someone just said कोई मिल गया randomly. How do I do this? I love this.
You don't need to go word-wise.
Who said Savdhan? What's your name? Hi Nupur, thank you for helping Ehsaas. All right, Rohit Saraf, आपके bowl में से क्या निकलने वाला है? Let's find out. Can't wait to see it. ना ये फिल्म का नाम है ना ये गाने का नाम है ये एक
Taunt है भाई ये तो.
You can't say anything. You can't say anything. Well, let's just say it's good old Hindi.
100%.
Oh, first word you pointed to, Taruk. Okay, first word, Bandar. One sec, guys, here you go.
एक second, we say it together, okay? नहीं 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 नहीं. Whenever I think about Taruk and and Abhinav, not
Oh,
Ehsas.
nice.
No, Abhinav, no, wait. Whenever I think of Taruk and Abhinav, what do I think of?
Wow. I thought you guys made friends on the sets of Mismatch 3. यहाँ पे उल्टा हो रहा है. Well, I hope it was fun playing dumb charades for you. It's been a while, guys. We came back to college, and thank you for that, Goonj and NMIMS. This is amazing. But now, this is what I love most about the huddle whenever we do it. It's a chance for you to ask questions to your favorite stars. We already have questions. I believe you're sitting around somewhere. Our first question is going to come from Eva Khan.
Is there a specific scene during production that made you think this is exactly why I love acting?
There is actually. There is a scene. Thank you so much for your question, Eva. How are you?
I'm good. Great.
There was a scene that I got to shoot with Prajakta, which I am obviously not going to talk about because if I say anything about the scene at Marine Drive, if I say anything about the scene, I feel like I'll be giving pretty much everything away. So I don't want to. Having said that, I think that was one day where I performed honestly, and also I would never want to shoot that scene with anybody but Prajakta. I think it was just. It was honestly one of the most special scenes. I think for me, that scene defines Mismatch as a series, not just this season, but like all 3 seasons put together. It was one of the most special scenes for me. We got to shoot this on the Marine Drive, which was again very special because I've always, ever since I became an actor, on day 1 when I moved to Bombay, I remember, that's the most like, it's the one thing that everyone does whenever they move to Bombay or whenever they're visiting Bombay, that they want to go and see Marine Drive. And I remember I'd watched so many films that are shot in Bombay, and I thought about it that, one day when I'm an actor, maybe I'd get to shoot a scene at Marine Drive. And I did, and I couldn't have asked for better company. And it was just the most special scene. So, and I cannot wait for you guys to watch it and specifically give us feedback on that scene.
Thank you so much, Eva. That's a beautiful question. Meher Changani. Hi, Meher. Are you in the house? Hi, Meher.
My question is to Ehsas. What's one word your character would use to describe love and why?
Vinny.
There's so many words. One word is very difficult, but I think safe space. Yeah. Thank you so much, Meher. Thank you.
Hi, Adi.
And my question is for both Rohit sir and Prajakta ma'am. So, what are your guys' favorite on-screen moment of Rishi and Dimple?
Hi, Adi.
Hi, Adi.
One of them is definitely what Rohit spoke about in season 3.
Actually, there are so many in season 3.
There's a lot. Also, I'm very happy that season 3 there are a lot of Rishi Dimple moments. We kind of missed that. Yeah. We kind of missed it a lot when we were doing season 2. And जब पता चला कि season 3 में long distance हो.
Hey.
एक second. ये spoiler कैसे हुआ? You didn't know.
ये तो ट्रेलर में है भाई.
ये तो trailer में.
हाँ, we're okay. We're fine.
Actors and their NDAs. That was a live example.
No. अरे चल, of course you know that. It's okay. I got so scared for a minute there.
आप बोल के चली गई भाई.
Thank you for your question. No, but so हमें ऐसा लगा था कि we won't have a lot of moments. Now, how much to say without giving spoilers?
Let's just say we shot a really special day together.
We shot a very special
Day for
together.
Rishi and Dimple
For Rishi and Dimple together
in season 3.
in season 3. There was also a very special night.
Well, take 2 of that.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Adi, you win the award for most controversial question of the day. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Seemed simple on paper, you know, but really got dimple on the stage. Thank you. All right, our next question comes from Mannat Jain. Hi, Mannat.
So I want, my question is from Taruk sir.
Oh.
I want to ask, what's the most unexpected hidden talent of your castmates?
That's a great question. ये तो मुझे भी जानना है.
Hidden talent of.
Let's start with Rohit.
I'm really sorry for flipping you off. I love you, bro. I'm very sorry. I genuinely mean it. I'm apologizing in front of everyone.
This is his talent. Dogle.
आदि ढोगले. नहीं, आदि भोगले और रोहित ढोगले. कैसे हो सकता है ये?
You know, Ehsaas is really good at rapping. No, I mean not like writing raps, but yeah, presence. No, also, I think.
Bro,
No. It's
can't mess with her. She's done too many college shows.
She's done too many college shows. But अगर कर देगी तो सीधे मौत हो जाएगी. Sorry. No, but I think Rohit has a hidden talent of no matter what he does, I don't know how he does it, but you can't stay angry at him for some reason. Like he can get away with doing, and he does a lot.
The girls are saying from the back, look at him, look at him. That is why we are here, to look
No,
at
but
him.
like we look at him every day, so we've come to terms with how good he looks. But still, there's something, I don't know, it's some.
I don't like the fact that y'all are reducing me to just how I look. Do it again.
Minimum twice.
Minimum 200 times.
Yes! Acha, now you have to move on.
Oh, you know, it was a complete surprise. One day I found Prajakta just writing something on her laptop. And I was like, you know how to write? She's like, yeah!
Good
So
job, Pete.
she's an author. Her book, Too Good to Be True, comes out very soon. On the 13th of Jan.
This came out of nowhere. Thanks, Taruk.
Aw, that's really sweet.
And Abhinav also has a hidden talent.
But I thought अभिनव के सारे talents हमें वो रोज दिखाते हैं. आपके तो सारे talent दिख रहे हैं सर.
Abhinav doesn't keep it hidden.
Sometimes it's not that hidden, you know. Most times.
All right, up next.
Thank
Manika Arora, hi.
Hello everyone. My question is for Abhinav. So,
Hi.
जो ये सर आपने धीरे से लगाया है बाद में. क्या
Sir.
बात है.
No, अच्छा है, nice. Call me sir one more time. I can't.
so sir, my question is that which is the funniest BTS moment that your fans don't know about?
Oh.
You just gave us that. The funniest BTS moment. See, you want to help with that?
I mean, there's a lot of things that.
Funniest BTS moment.
I mean, we were laughing a lot.
Oh, they have this. They think I can't walk and I keep falling.
We think you cannot walk up
They
enough.
think I.
We don't think.
They think
We
I
don't
trip
have
on,
to think.
They
Okay,
think
one
I
sec.
trip on flat surfaces.
Now it's time, of course, to get 5 amazing fans, okay, to come up on stage and to just have a moment with all of you and give you good wishes for your season, all right? I just want to tell the cast, this is what Just to Filmy is about, bringing the fans closer to you, one huddle at a time. So we'll actually huddle, come together, all of you in the center come, yeah? Yeah? And let them have a moment, take your time, and yeah, we'll do a picture.